Did you meet someone who can read your mind? Never. Nobody. I want you to think about one person in your life. I want you to first think about the first letter in that person. That's it, the first letter. Look at me in the eyes. Look at me. This person means something to you very much in your life?
Yes.
Okay, I think I got it, but I'm not sure. I want you to think about his name. Touch my finger. I hope, wait a minute. It's a hard name, but I hope I got it. Victor? Was it Victor? Really? Thank you.
Ne znam, še je finta.
Good job.
Živijo, punce. Si bo zbrala eno karto? 5.
My name, Patricia.
Patricija. Kako ste?
Super.
Vidim, da uživate v lepem mariborskem soncu.
In Mariborskem.
Mariborskem vidu. I have one assistant with me. He's very small, he's very shy. To je Max. Živijo. Okay. Max je v bistvu narisan na every single card in the deck. Vse karte so različne. Can you name one card?
Out loud.
Yes.
Seven of Hearts. Pikova dama.
Pikova
Ja
dama.
sam isto mislila.
To je že trik. Can you put your hands like this? Yeah, okay. Hold the 7, okay. Put your hands on top. Hold it like this. Drži, damo. Ja, drži tak. Tak, super. Now, Max is gonna pick at your card. In bo probal poiskati vajno karto. Okay. Now he knows it.
Okay.
He's gonna take his hat.
Kako dober.
He's gonna take his wand. He's gonna go inside his head. And he's gonna take out one card.
Wow. Wow.
Big applause for Max, yeah. Pikovo damo.
Kako dober. Bravo. Si genijalen.
En poseben trik bi rad še probal s tabo, ok? Stisni roko. Jaz bom probal eno stvar prenesiti iz svoje roke v tvojo roko. Ok, brez da se bom dotikal. Ok. Prej se najdem na tleh. Šminko.
Okay.
Jaz si bom na svojem prstu naredil malo šminke, pa bom naredil, da izgine iz moje roke. In zdaj, če je šminka izginila iz moje roke, se je lahko pojavila.
Ja, po mojem se ni.
Pri roko, obrni roko.
Ful dober. Ej, bravo.
Hvala.
Top. Bravo, Ana.
Iskrene čestitke za tvoj naslov. Kaj bi bil recimo za tebe najbolj fascinanten trik?
Jaz bi rada iz vodevin spremenila tako, kot je Jezus naredil.
Ampak mi boš mogla malo pomagati pri tem. Več vode, tako kot je imel Jezus. Najprej začel z vodom. Čin.
Lahko probam to vino?
Lahko probaš. Je vino?
Ja.